Good morning, everyone. This is the last math worksheet, teaching math sheet scheduled for this week. So I'm going to do this one today. It feels like a while since I've made a math video. Your segment line and your name, the date. Today is April 16th. You just write your date. Okay, it is Thursday while I'm doing it. If you do it on a different day, that's okay. All right, let's remember our tally marks. So on the 16th, we're going to make 16 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and one more, make 16. Trace your 82 and write it 3 more times. 82, 82, 82. How many digits are on the line? 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, number 2 is kind of fun. It's different. It's backwards. They're giving you the number sentence. 4 plus 1 equals 5. That's true. And they want you to write a story about it. So it could be about anything. It could be about friends getting together. It could be about flowers blooming. Let's see. I'm going to just make up one about birds because there's lots of birds in my yard. I'm going to say 4 birds were at the feeder. Okay, remember your period. Then what happened? Another one came. One more came, or you could put join them. Now, how many did they have at the feeder? Now, there are 5 birds. Exclamation. Okay? It's like writing a story. You can make it up about anything you want. All right, let's look at number 3. 3 children chose apples. 5 children chose oranges. Draw a picture of the apples and oranges on the graph. All right? So let's see. 3 apples. Just going to put a stem. You can copy their little picture. And 5 oranges. All right, this is called a pictograph because you drew pictures on it. How many more children chose oranges than apples? All right, we know more children chose oranges. And they don't want to know how many chose oranges. They want to know how many more chose oranges. All right, and the graph shows us only 3 people picked apples, and so we have more oranges. How many more? 2. All right, draw lines to divide the squares into fourths in 2 different ways. Color 1/4 of the square. Color 1 piece of the square. So we can do vertical and horizontal. And now we have 4. And you can pick any section to color. How else could we do it? We can do straight lines, all straight lines, and make them like little skinny rectangles. Or we can do the diagonals from corner to corner. And now we have triangle pieces. We have 4 triangle pieces. Okay, and you can color one piece. You can color 1/4. All right, a cool little project that I saw online was taking paper plates. They can be any size, but the plain kind. And you can divide them into pieces, equal pieces, the best you can, and like color them or paint them and write the fractions on them. You could put 1/4 on each piece, or if you could even decorate it to be like a pizza and cut it like you're cutting pizza, and that's will teach you about fractions. All right, number 5 says count by tens from 7. Fill in the numbers you say. Remember the chart that we did that said we're going to count by tens, but we're not starting with 10. We're going to start with 1 and 2 and 3. This time they want us to just start from 7, okay? If we add 10 to 7, 0 plus 7 is 7, and then you bring your 1 down, okay? It's 17, all right? It's the teens, then it's the 20s, 27, then it's the 30s, 37. What comes next after the 30s? It's the 40s, so 47, 57, 67, 77, 87. Just keep adding 10 more. Last one, 97. All right, you're subtracting, you're adding. Make sure you look at your sign, and you're adding your money. Always start on the right side and by the penny side, and add down and then go to the dimes. Okay, that's always, you're practicing your adding and subtraction. That's good. You don't want to forget your number facts. All right, so that's all the math that you have for this week. Next week you can do your next packet. If you've gone ahead and finished them up because it's your favorite, then you can be working on other things, all right? Remember, you can still be adding money and working on your time and your number challenges. Keep your number challenges for whenever Miss Jenkins can collect those, and I'll let you know. All right, that's all for now.